Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am so glad you're here, and I hope you're all having a great start to your week so far. Today I wanted to share my February current favorites, and these are always some of my favorite videos to share, and I know you all really enjoy them too. It's just a great way for me to share a little monthly roundup of some of my current favorites, things that I've been loving or recently purchased for myself. Oftentimes a lot of really great discount codes for some of my favorite items that I know you guys would love too, and I'm always so excited to be able to offer you guys a code so that you can save a little bit on some of my favorites, and sometimes some really great sale alerts too. So this month I've got some fun new items for spring and summertime. I can't wait for warmer weather, and also some little ideas that would be great for Valentine's gifts. So let's go ahead and get started. And make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Click that little bell and turn on all post notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And I'd love for you to follow along over on my Instagram too. It's just my first and last name, Rachel Pachetti, and I have already started sharing lots of fun spring content there that you won't want to miss out on. So first I wanted to start off with this Stoney Clover bead kit, and I believe I had shared this back in my What I Got for Christmas video. I have absolutely loved it. It is seriously so much fun, and I know you guys would love it too. I am obsessed with anything and everything Stoney Clover Lane. I know I've mentioned that in a bunch of my videos, and I actually have a couple new pouches that I'm going to share with you guys in just a minute. But this bead kit comes with so many cute different beads, all the different colors. There's hearts and stars, iridescent flowers, and then there's all of the different letters, gold beads, everything you could possibly need. And I love beaded bracelets. I wear some in my arm stacks every single day, and I think it's so much fun that you can make them yourself at home, especially as we head into spring and summertime. I wear them every single day, and I love all of the fun rainbow colors that come in this bead kit. So it's just a fun little winter activity to do right now. You can turn on a movie, make some beads with your friends, or like my sisters and I have been loving making these, and it would also make a darling little Valentine's Day gift idea for someone. It would also make a fun little birthday gift idea if you know someone with a spring birthday coming up, or even to set aside to put in someone's Easter basket. It's just super cute, and if you love beaded bracelets as much as I do and all those cute colors, you've definitely got to get this for yourself. Next up, I've got a couple fun new things from Target, and first we've got this cute pack of pens, and this comes with some scented pens as well as glitter pens, and I of course love all of the cute rainbow colors, and this was on sale for like $8 I think, so it's such a steal, and I just needed some new pens to go with my new planner and my notebooks on my desk, so I had to grab these. Then I also saw this cute bead kit on the table with those glitter pens, and I had to grab it, one because it was only $12 and it looked like it had some different beads that I could add in with my Stoney Clover bead kit. That way I have lots of beads to work with, and then I also thought it would be a great affordable option to share with you guys. If you love the idea of the Stoney Clover one but you want one that is under $15, it's such a steal and still that same fun idea. And it has some really cute beads in it too. There's like hearts and stars, iridescent little flowers. These ones almost look like big pearls, and then there's some gold ones too, tassels, and then like some different pastel beads. So comes in a cute case too to keep them nice and organized, and at $12 it would also be a fun little Valentine's or Easter gift, birthday gift, or just grab it for yourself and make some beaded bracelets at home. Next up from Target, we've got this adorable pink disco ball tumbler, and I had recently bought this silver one at a local store here called Pink Antlers. It's by the brand Packed Party, and they do the cutest party supplies. If you've never checked them out, you totally have to. I think they actually have a line at Walmart too, which I need to go check out. But I had shared this in a couple of my photos and reels over on Instagram and my Valentine's Day content I've been sharing, and a bunch of you had asked questions about it since it is so darn cute, and it's still available on their website, so I'll link it down below for you guys. I think it's like $15. But then I was at Target the other day, and my mom happened to notice this actually, and she knows how much I love this one. But I had completely missed this, and I think the reason why I first overlooked it is because it comes with like a plastic wrap on it that has LOL dolls on it, like those characters, and so I just think originally I would have never noticed it because I wasn't looking for anything that had to do with LOL dolls. But you just peel the wrapper off, of course. It's got some gummies inside that it comes with too, and then after that it's just a cute pink disco ball tumbler. Doesn't have anything to do with LOL dolls once you take the wrapper off. And it's only $5. It comes with the cute little pink striped straw. This is just a bow that's still on there from the packaging. But it is literally the same cup as this silver tumbler that I got from Packed Party. So I had to share that since I know a lot of you were interested in this. And I love the bright pink. How darn cute is that? I just love collecting like fun mugs and tumblers and cups that I can drink my water or my liquid IV in, or my iced coffee. This has been really fun just to put my afternoon iced coffee in there. It's just something cute to use, and it would also make a darling little Valentine's Day gift idea if you're going to put together like a little gift basket for your kids or your friends or sisters. This would be so cute to stick in there with some other Valentine's Day goodies, or of course for parties or party favors. These would be so cute to get a bunch of them and put on a tablescape for like a birthday party or something, and at $5 they're such a steal. And speaking of my liquid IV, these are always a must that I share in all of my current favorites videos. They're such an essential for me, and I do have a discount code for you guys. It's just my last name. That'll get you 25% off your order on Liquid IV's site anytime, which is awesome. I've got it linked down below for you too, and I know so many of you love these as much as I do too, but they're just the hydration multipliers. You just add one packet to your water, and it's equal to drinking 2 to 3 glasses of regular water's worth of hydration, which is incredible. So they help you stay nice and hydrated, especially if you're not someone that loves to drink a lot of water throughout the day. But seriously, the flavors are beyond delicious. I have tried every single one. This is the apple pie that I'm drinking right now. Actually, it is so delicious. And then I think my top 2 favorites, if I had to choose, would be lemon lime because it tastes like lemonade, and then strawberry because it tastes like a pink drink from Starbucks. It is so delicious, you guys. And then I also love their tangerine flavor from the Immune Boost blend. That tastes like you're just drinking straight out of one of those little cutie tangerines. So good. And besides the fact that these are so tasty and help you stay hydrated, they also help you stay healthy too, which is definitely key right now. They're packed with your daily dose of vitamin C as well as essential B vitamins, which I know not all of us always get those in. So what could be easier than just adding this to your water and drinking your daily dose of vitamins? And it's delicious too, and it also has more electrolytes than a normal sports drink. So seriously, an amazing product, definitely one of my essentials, and I look forward to drinking them because they taste so darn good. Another item from Target that is definitely one of my recent favorite purchases is this adorable Sherpa heart-shaped bag, and it's a crossbody bag. I love the big pink chain link on it, and I love anything and everything Sherpa for fall and winter. It's just so cozy and cute. So when I saw this heart-shaped bag, I knew I had to have it, and it's only $15. Like seriously, that is such a steal, and it's perfect for like my card holder, my mask, my lip gloss and chapsticks. Just a great everyday bag to carry around to go run errands and whatnot. It looks so cute on, and I love that it's hands-free too. It reminds me a lot of my favorite Stoney Clover. I'm actually gonna go grab my Sherpa Heart pouch from Stoney Clover and put it up next to this so that you can see how similar it is, but such a great price point, and I love that it has the crossbody strap too. And then here's that Sherpa Heart bag that I have from Stoney Clover that I just adore. So really a fun look-alike, a great look for less. And this one doesn't have a crossbody strap on it. It's more so just like a little clutch or to use for travel or in your tote bag or something. So this is a fun option if you love that look. $15, it's a steal, plus you can use it as a crossbody. Next up, we've got these cute Hello Kitty earrings from the collab they did with Alex and Annie. All of those cute bracelets, you know, that have the little like charms on them, and they did for Valentine's Day this Hello Kitty collection, and I am such a fan of Hello Kitty. I have been ever since I was little. I think it just kind of goes along with the fact that I love all things fun and girly, so I mean, how can you not love Hello Kitty? And I had to get this earring set. It comes with the 2 little Hello Kitties, either with the pink bow or there's a set that has the red bow, and then these come with just the little pink hearts or the red hearts in the other set. And then they did a couple bracelets and I think 1 Hello Kitty necklace. And at the bottom of their website too, you'll see they have their email sign up, which I think gets you like 15% off. That works for the Hello Kitty collab too, so that way you can save a little, and if you love Hello Kitty like I do, you've definitely got to check out this collection. And now for a few new Necessaire products, and I have shared in a handful of my previous videos how much I love my Necessaire bath products. There's the body wash, which also works as an amazing bubble bath, and then the exfoliator and the body lotion. I use those every single time that I shower. They are are seriously amazing and they smell like a spa at home. There's eucalyptus scent, sandalwood, or bergamot, and there's also unscented, but I love all three scents. They're so good, and they make my skin feel amazing too. And I also love that all of their ingredients are clean. There's nothing bad added in, and I recently got their hand lotion, which of course this is an essential for these dry winter months, especially with how much we're washing and sanitizing our hands. And this has been incredible. It is such a good hand cream. I keep one back here on my nightstand. I use it like a million times a day, and then I keep one in my purse too, and it's just the best. If you need a good hand cream, definitely check this one out. And then I've also been using their body serum, which I put this on before I do the body lotion, or you can just do one or the other, but it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is incredibly hydrating for your skin, and it also just helps to kind of like even out your skin tone and any little imperfections. But I kid you not, you guys, I put this on and I swear my skin feels like silk. It is so incredible. You guys have got to try it. If you haven't ever used Necessaire products, they will not disappoint. I've got them linked down below for you guys. And then I have some new beauty products to share with you all too, and these are by Dime Beauty, and I had heard such good things about their beauty products. Everyone raves about them, and so I couldn't wait to try them out for myself. And I have recently started using their volume mascara and their eyelash serum, and I have been loving them so far. You guys will have to let me know if you've ever used Dime Beauty products too. Definitely comment down below if you have. Let me know what your favorites are. I really want to try out their perfume too, and they have a little sampler set that comes with all of them, I think for like $15. So I'm gonna order that and test them all out, and I will keep you guys posted. But again, if you've tried the perfume and you have a favorite scent, please let me know. I would love to hear your recommendations too. And what I especially love about their products too is that everything is clean and cruelty free, which is amazing. I love that. And I do have a discount code to offer you guys too. It's just Rachel Pachetti 20. That'll get you 20% off your purchase on their site anytime, so you guys can try it out with me if you've been wanting to, or restock if you're already a fan. And then Target just put out these new Sherpa scrunchies. It comes as the set of two, and then there's also the matching headbands. So there's the cream headband or this like pretty caramel brown color, and they've got the knot in the center too. I love those. And these scrunchies of course are cute for like your messy buns, top knots, but I also love to just wear them on my wrist with my arm stack. I think that looks really cute too, and I loved both of those colors. Again, really cute Valentine's Day gift idea. And then this blue and white tie-dye bomber jacket that I have on, I actually shared in my Target spring try-on haul video just last week, so if you haven't already watched that, definitely go check it out. I'll link it down below for you guys. You will not want to miss out on some of the really cute new things Target has for spring and summertime. I shared lots of outfit ideas, tried everything on, so there's sizing info too, some cute sandals and new accessories for spring and summer as well. And this jacket is definitely one of the items you will not want to miss out on. And now for my new Stoney Clover Lane pouches. And if you've watched some of my previous videos over like the past year or so, I've shared all of the different pouches and bags that I have from them. They are my absolute favorite. They just do like pouches and bags, any kind of little bag that you could possibly need in all the colors of the rainbow. And you can customize them with all of their different patches. They have like about 1 million cute patches to choose from. Letters, symbols, travel ones, and you can either use their customizer online and have them sewn on so they're permanent, or you can just order the patches separately and they come with like a sticky 3M back, and you just stick them on yourself where you want to, and they stick super well. And that's what I've done with almost all of my bags, aside from the ones that are like the cozy Sherpa material or like the woven straw. Anything of course that a patch would not stick onto, you would need to have those sewn on. But they just launched their new collaboration with Roller Rabbit, and it all has this rainbow palm tree print on it, which I am obsessed with. I love anything palm tree print. And fun random fact about me, I have a little palm tree tattoo, so of course I loved this collab and the rainbow colors. I love anything colorful, so I think these will just be really fun for spring and summertime. You could keep them like in your beach bag or your pool bag or just in your tote to carry every day. And this is the large pouch. It's the biggest size that they do, and then I just stuck on 3 of the palm patches. They did the big palm tree, the big heart, which I'm about to show you guys, and then they did all of the different letters sweaters, and I love the rainbow thread on that. So darn cute. And then I ordered one of their classic fanny packs just in white. I have two of their fanny packs. I have the Cozy Sherpa one that I've been using all winter long, and then I also have the Hello Kitty one from their winter Hello Kitty collaboration that was just beyond adorable. So those are perfect for fall and winter, but I wanted something I could use heading into spring and summertime, since I have been loving hands-free bags like little backpacks and fanny packs and crossbodies. They're just so convenient. So I went with the white so that it would go with everything, and then I just stuck on one of the rainbow heart patches from the Roller Rabbit collaboration, and I think that it turned out so cute. I cannot wait to carry this as we head into spring and summertime. One other item that I've been getting a lot of use out of lately for the new year is my notebook from Stoney Clover as well, and this is their notebook cover, and it does come with the spiral notebook insert inside, but what I love about this is that you can just clip that insert out in the back, and then that way you can just use the notebook cover if you want to and put your own planner or notebook inside. People I've also seen use these for like book club or for their Bible, which is a great idea too. And the cover comes in all of the different colors of the rainbow like they do, and then you can customize it with all of their fun patches, and again, you can have them sewn on with their customizer or just stick them on yourself like I did, and then you could get some cute little pens to go with. Like I'm going to use all of these glitter pens in here to write down like blog post ideas and keep everything organized. Alright, so that's it for this month's current favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. You can share it with your friends and family so that they can watch and shop some of these items and discount codes too. And everything is linked right down below in the description box. You can click through and instantly shop everything. I've got all of the discount codes listed down below as well. And as always, thank you so much for clicking and ordering through my links, and make sure to check out some of my other recent videos like that Target haul that I mentioned. You won't want to miss out on some of those cute spring and summer outfit ideas and some really cute sandals too. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.